Hey babes, it's Madi. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a curly hairstyle and I'm going to be talking a little bit about the Miss Jessies Jelly soft curls. So I already applied some gel, but for the hairstyle, I section out my crown section, then I part it down middle, and then I make 4 little sections. The part that takes the longest is getting these lines to be nice and even. So that's the only annoying part. But after that, everything goes by pretty fast. And I like to make sure that I put my hair into rubber bands as I get my little sections so they don't get combined with the other sections. So I take that front piece, put it into a rubber band, and then I twist it and connect it to the back, but I crisscross it. Then I repeat the same thing on the other side. And the clip-ins that I'm using are the Bebonia spiral clip-ins, 22-inch, and I told you guys I was going to do hairstyles with the clip-ins, so this is one of them. The gel is definitely a wash and go kind of gel. I would not last more than a day. It wasn't that moisturizing for me, and I had to keep reapplying a lot of it to get it to how I wanted it to be. It's not a bad product. I did like how it smelled. It smelled just like their leave-in, the bluish container one, which I have tried in the past and I liked, but it wasn't doing what it needed to do for me. So for me, it's a no. But like I said, it's not a terrible product. It's just I'm on the hunt for something specific, something more moisturizing, and the search continues. But I just wanted to add it in this video for you guys. Also, this hairstyle, I did add extensions as you guys are seeing in the video, but I do it with my nap without the extensions as well. All right, my love. So I just took some more water and gel to refresh my curls to make sure I got rid of all the frizz in my hair. And then I did my baby hairs and I let my hair air dry naturally. Let me know what you guys think about my new setup, being back in the bathroom like the good old days. That's the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and are enjoying my little mini tutorials. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.